Yo, welcome to the stream. It's me and Defo. it just took me some time. I'm currently trying to stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time, and I'm not quite sure if this is working correctly or not. I made a new YouTube channel just for live streams. So no one knows about it, and maybe no one will find it. Who knows? Who knows? It's a little secret channel. I don't know. I'm interested in if anyone would ever join the YouTube live stream without me making any advertisement, and afterwards the video will automatically upload. So maybe then some people will find it, or maybe not. I don't know. I guess we will figure it out. But it seems to be working. That's quite nice. The only big problem is that I probably won't read the chat if anyone writes something into the YouTube chat. I'm using Restream, and I thought that I will get a combined chat, but I can't find it. So maybe I don't. Or maybe it's right there. There should be something like this, right? Messages. Chatters. No, why aren't there any messages? It's a overview. That's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, I haven't tried this before. Enter live studio. Maybe this way. Yeah, this looks promising. No. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm currently just destroying my stream. I don't know. I can show it to you. I mean, you can be included in this shenanigans. On air. Is this the chat? What happens if I write hi? Okay, it's written into both Twitch and YouTube. That's nice. Okay, so maybe it is working after all. Let's see. Let's write something in the YouTube chat. Okay, and if we write something in the Twitch chat, okay, no, that's not what I wanted to open. That's also not what I wanted to open. That's also not what I wanted to open. I should close this. Yeah, but okay, it's working. Nice. Cute. So I can see both chats at the same time. That's all I wanted. Beautiful. I mean, I don't expect anyone to join the YouTube stream, so it probably doesn't matter at all. But hey, if there would be someone, I can at least see that they are writing, right? Okay. So, what are we doing today? We will continue the Spiderman game. I created the enemy the last stream, and I improved him when I was not streaming. So it's now all working better, and I need to show you this because it's awesome. Do we get a full screen? Yeah. Okay, so you can also now join them. This, and you can connect them to buildings, which is super fun. And almost working perfectly. No, it's actually working quite good. So they connect them like this. And you could also connect them with multiple webs, which leads to some very weird physics. I mean, look, this is tearing him apart. Basically, yeah, and that's what Spidey is known for, right? This. But it's super fun. I don't know. There's something weird with his weapon arm because he always kind of loses it. He doesn't lose any other body part, but his arm just sometimes doesn't seem to fit and doesn't seem to stick. So yeah, I also managed to get rid of some bugs. So yeah, I improved it a lot, and whoa, it's really fun. You can still go below buildings. I need to fix that before I can upload the game, but this shouldn't be too much of an issue. Bam. Yeah, it's really fun. So that's all I was hoping for. Today I want to draw enemy sprites as well as some new buildings, and then I can make a devlog about all those changes. For some reason I have the feeling it's currently a little bit slower than the game usually is. Maybe because I have too much software running at the same time. Like, I'm recording all of this, I'm streaming it to two platforms. I'm yeah, maybe that's too much to run smoothly. I don't know. Okay. Where do we start? With the buildings or with the enemy? I'm not sure at all. I think I would go for the enemy first because this seems to be more important. Currently this model is really bad, so we definitely need a different model than this one. And then what's also very important, like some particle effects on the bullets, a new bullet for Spidey, and then this would look fine. And if we have time left, we can also draw a few new buildings, but if not, that isn't too bad because I think the game still looks okay with the old buildings. Alright, so let's go with that. I already opened Photoshop and I have no idea how the enemy shall look like. That's the main issue right now. Okay. I do know though that I need my drawing tablet. And that the enemy shall have about the same size as Spidey, so I use him as a reference. It's the first time I try to use my mic like this. I don't know if this is I guess we get better sound quality, but the big problem is that it's now in the way of my drawing tablet and I don't know how to set this up correct. Maybe like this? Is this okay? Can you still hear me? Clear? Bloop. Okay. How shall he look like? I mean, we will keep it simple. I definitely need some references. Ragdoll enemy. Is this something you can search for? 2D. No, that's not how he shall look like. Spiderman 2D enemy. And we don't want Venom. I just want a regular cannon dude. Yeah, this is not what I was looking for. Maybe Spider-Man 2D game. How do those enemies look like? I just want a bigger picture. This is just too small. Like this. That's also Venom again. I just want a generic gun guy. And one that looks better than those. What are those even? Seriously, look at it. Look at this. Is this a crown? Are those kings coming right from the spa? Yeah, they wanted to have a nice hot evening, maybe going into the pool, but Spidey came up to beat them. No, I have no idea what this is. Look at this. This is just a construction worker. Why why did you need to shoot him? Okay, those guys don't look evil at all. Seriously. Okay, I guess I have to come up with my own design. Nothing useful. Nothing useful. Okay. So let's start with some sketching. The mic somehow is a little bit in the way, but I guess it's fine. I will get used to this, hopefully. Or maybe this is the last time I stream some drawing. What the fuck? That's not what I wanted to do. I just want to create a new layer on top of everything else so I can use it to sketch my enemy. Okay, so as mentioned, it's a Ragdoll, so it will look like the Spider-Man Ragdoll. Something like this. But we need a face. Yeah, this is just the basics. I will make it like this so we can draw on top of it. Yeah, so the way I did the face for Spidey is the same way I will do it for my enemies now. So let's draw some eyes like this. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay, this is pure evil, as you can see. Needs some hair. I feel like he should have this blonde kind of hair. And then maybe wearing a suit would look nice. Yeah, I feel like this is a good idea. A suit is always if you're a gangster, you can wear a suit like this. Here is his arm. So, buttons. Okay, my pen is way too thick. I can't draw any details right now. But I think a blonde suit guy would fit quite well. We will go with that design. I think he doesn't get a mouth. He will get a head just like this. Only eyes, one ear, and some hair, and that's it. And then we have his suit. Something along this line. Some buttons. And he gets some black shoes as well. Okay. Yeah, this is nice. I will go with that design. Okay, and then we have his arm. This and his other arm will hold a gun. So he can shoot at us. So we also need to draw a small gun. Maybe like this. No. How does a gun looks in 2D? I have no idea. I have to look this up. 2D gun. Right, please. And not with that much. No pixel art and not too much detail. Just a very small one. Like this. Maybe. How is this looking? It's also pixel art. But I like the design. Yeah, we will go with that one over here. I think this will do good. Okay. Yeah, no 3D shenanigans, please. Okay, so how does it look? No, we should go with the Man in Black gun. Man in Black. Very simple. Okay, no, that's not. How are those agents called? Like agent gun. I want a very simple. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. I have absolutely no idea about weapons. I don't know how they are called. I don't know how they look like. This is not my world. So yeah, this is it. Okay, this is what we're going for. So here's his hand. And then this gun goes something along this. Have small thing for aiming. And then straight up. Like this. Yeah, now this is looking like a gun. Yeah, this is fine. If we get this in a little bit more detailed and with colors, that will look awesome, I think. Okay, this is our enemy design. Now, let's draw him, right? Okay, so I want to draw him in the same size as Spiderman. So I will use Spidey as a reference for him. Like, this is the correct size for the head. I think the body actually can be a little bit larger, right? Let's see if I can find this. Body is like this. So I should name my layers. This is once again very bad habit of me, but hey. Yeah, this... this all can be a little bit larger. See, no, still. Yeah, almost there, almost there. Yeah, this is the correct size. The body, the leg, on the other hand, should be smaller. Should be as large as this leg. Like this. Okay. Okay. So this is the leg. Let's see how large this arm needs to be. I will also take a reference from my old version, but this looks fine. So yeah, I will draw it horizontally so I can get some easy straight lines for the weapon. So this will be the arm. And cut off the second arm because it needs to be a little bit larger. I will draw it individually so I can connect those parts later. Okay. Yeah, looks almost like the leg. Maybe the leg should be a little bit shorter. We will see. Okay, I guess we can draw him now. For the outline, I will take the same color as for Spidey. Alright, did I use a black? I don't remember. I have multiple versions. Let's just quickly go to Unity. No, this is the correct color. Maybe I should use a different color. I mean, it's the enemy after all, right? So yeah, let's go for a black outline. Okay, before we do this, let's turn up the opacity of our sketch so I can actually see what I'm drawing. Okay. This should be fine. So yeah, let's see. And of course I need to draw on the correct layer, please. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Then we need the hair. No. Got the ear. And I guess I will draw the outlines for the eye as well. Yeah, this looks fine. Oh. How is it called? The iris? The pupil? Which how is the black dot called in the middle? I think it's the pupil, right? Yeah, we need an outline for this. Yeah. Wait, let's color this. And biggest question, skin tone. This is so difficult. How do you find a nice skin tone? This seems to be a little bit bright, right? No, not that yellow. More orange. More Donald Trump color, please. Yeah, this looks fine. this on a new layer, yeah. He has some super large ears. Don't ask me why. Guess he's some kind of elephant. I don't know. Okay. I'm not sure about the color. Now that I see this, it seems to be not a skin color at all. I guess I have to search for one. Yeah, this is not a or maybe? No, let's look up a skin color. I have no idea. Let's see. Let's go with this one. Ew. So which color do we take? I guess I would go for this one. This looks fine. Maybe I did a good job. I don't know. What do you think? How bad is it? On a scale from 1 to 10. Yeah. Yeah, we will just rock this color. This will be fine. This is good enough for this game. Yeah. Let's make the eyes white. And I mean oh yeah, I know one thing we can do. Make him look more manly and somewhat evil. He will get a beard. This looks Does this look like a beard? Somewhat. What about this part over here? I get the same. I have to look at myself for a reference. I don't know. I guess. Yes, it will get the same color, right? Can also add some shadow over here. This. Yeah, that's fine. Just variance. And now for the ear. We also need some. No. Some ear shadow. This is getting worse. Dang. Like this? Yeah, I think it's fine. Maybe we will only see it from a distance. It's once again good enough for me. Let's go for the hair. I have no idea which would be the correct color. Let's just draw a reference color and then we can paint on top of it. I want it to be blonde, so maybe it needs to be very, very yellow. We will find a color, we will find it. The hair should go like this. I will add the line. Yeah, this will be better. I need to redraw this black line. But I think he already looks somewhat evil. Let's erase this and this. Let's now go to the line. Erase this line here and redraw it. This. Yeah, much better. Okay, the color actually isn't that bad. It's better than I expected. But I want it more blonde. Like he's the typical Hawaii. Hawaii. He's sitting too much in the sun. Getting brown, you know? And then he decided, damn, I need to rob a bank. So yeah, that's why he's on top of some roofs. Ooh, yeah. Getting better. Yes. Yeah. Oh. This is very yellow. That's a little bit too much, probably. Oh, I like this color. This is actually quite good. So we will add some structure to the hair and then it's fine. Oh, I see. There's a little bit missing. Okay. This is too much. Okay. Maybe like this. How does it look from a distance? Yeah. This is fine. This is what we will go for. I like it. Okay. So, next is the body, right? Yeah, let's just quickly group all of this into one layer. It's so weird. With my pen, for some reason, I can't click on this little icon over here. I don't know why. There's no reason why this should happen, but it's happening over and over and over. Okay, so let's call it enemy head. Boom. Now let's draw his body. Okay, Second, I should draw it with his head in mind because I want some parts to overlap this sleeve right here. Should overlap, so this needs to fit correctly. Or how can I do this? It's difficult. Maybe needs to consist out of two parts. Yeah. I can save the sprites in two parts, and one will be drawn on top of the other, and so it's I will do it like that. But still, I should draw it like this. Okay, outline. I used black for the outline. I remember. Hello? Would you please draw? Thank you. Okay, so that's not quite it. The outline needs to be a little bit thicker. So maybe like this. No. Yeah, this is how we can do it. Okay. So, and on a different layer, please, thank you. We will draw his jacket. So the jacket will be drawn on top of his head. Then comes the rest of the body. So this will be more three-dimensional. Okay, like this. And like this. We have this line. Okay. Nice. So this is the white. I don't know how this is called. White Hemd is the name in German, but I don't know the English name for it. We will go with Hemd. Like the thing you're wearing under the jacket, you know. Okay. Okay, that's that. And then he will wear red. Go for the color of Spidey. I think this is fun. If the enemy has the color of Spidey in his clothes, like this, the tie. Let's draw it all over because the head will be on top of this. You won't see this in game. At least that's what I've. Oh no! I wanted to do this on the layer mask. Okay, let's do it again. Layer mask. Thank you. Okay, like this. Here we go, here we go. So the big question now is if this gets some extra color. We could, oops, add like some stripes to it. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, that's fine. We will go with that one. Okay, so now let's color this jacket. Okay, and for the jacket, I want very dark purple, almost black. And this seems to be a good color. We will probably stick with that one. And I should use a larger pen to paint it and save so much time. Is it just me, or is he looking somewhat like Donald Trump? Now the big question is, why am I thinking of Donald Trump when I think about an evil guy for my game? It's not on purpose, actually. It's not on purpose. He's totally looking like Donald Trump. Oops. Sorry. But hey, why not? Okay, this... No, I don't think that this would scare any people away. By the way, I think I need to redraw the outline a little bit. Like this. Okay, now it should be fine. Because I was drawing on top of the outline. Oops. Okay. So, let's add some details. Okay, first, it's something like this. And no, I don't know why, but people are fearing this. I don't know how it's called, but it's looking awful. I just know the German word. Let's Google it. This is what I'm looking for. It's looking like this. Okay. This is how a suit looks like, actually. Okay. Yeah, we need to improve our suit. Once again, this should be a layer mask, please. Brush. Okay, let's take a little darker color and go like... Not dark enough. Okay, so now do this part. This, and now we take the red color and draw it like this. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. And we need some buttons. I will take the purple. So he perfectly suited he got his tie perfectly suited to his suit. Okay, one thing though, suits open again down here like this. We should draw it like that. Okay, so erase this. Draw it like no. Also erase this down here. We can make it better. So just like make it look like he's really wearing the suit. Yeah. This is okay, maybe his legs should be below all of this. Yeah, I know what he will look like now. Okay, now the second side. We need a very small eraser now. Okay. This is getting better. I like it. I like it. Because now this part is going to be white again. Okay. Nice. How about this? The once again I forgot how the word is called. It's so sad. Knöpfe. How is that called? Oh. Yeah. They need to be a little bit darker, I guess. That would be nice. Brush. Let's make them darker. Like something like this. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. Now we just need 2 arms and 1 leg. And then he's done. Nice. Okay. So let's bring back the order, our layers. These are a lot of layers. Yeah, those 3 have to be combined. Because this is the lower layer. And the other one is the top layer, and I can already see some drawing errors. We will fix that. Wrong color, please. Correct one. Okay. Let's group them. Where's the button? Okay, let's call it body. No, that's not what I wanted. I just accidentally dragged. Come on. This layer will not be in the body group. Thank you. This is our sketch layer. Let's pull it. Let's pull it over here so we can draw on it more easily. And let's start with the most difficult one, with the weapon arm. Okay. So start with the weapon. Like this. Okay, now we erase this part over here. Okay. Looks like a weapon, right? Yeah, I'm fine with that. Maybe I will draw some parts of the hand over this, like so. So that it's actually looking like he's holding it. Yeah, I will do that. I will do that now. So like this. Yeah, now he's holding the weapon very weirdly, but he's holding it. You know, he's holding it, and that's all we want. Okay. No. Yeah. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine, I guess. Now let's color it. Let's begin with the arm. This is his skin tone. And this is the color of his suit. Yeah, we can go with that. Now the more difficult question is, what kind of color does this weapon have? I opened the reference pic, but I already closed it again. So let's open it again and take this color. I mean, it's a toy gun. Or maybe it's not. You can buy new guns on Amazon now. In Germany. I wonder if this would be a thing you can do in America. I mean, you can like buy weapons everywhere, so why not at Amazon? If you can buy a weapon at Walmart, not that far off, right? Okay. This will definitely need a few more details. Okay, first of all, I think it should be a little bit darker. Okay, now then we have some shadow parts. Okay, I need to open my reference again. As mentioned, I have no idea how weapons actually look like. And an even darker part for his hand. Okay. Now add some lighter parts on top. And no, that's too light. How is this looking? Looks like a weapon. So yeah, I guess I'm pleased. It won't get much better than this. Maybe one thing I could do, like add some straight lines for this part. Something like this. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine with that gun. Guess that's the best I can achieve. Nice. Door is ringing. Should I open? Okay, I will just open. See you soon. Or maybe not. They already ringed on a different door. I didn't order anything, so I'm always somewhat confused. Yeah. Was just a package for my neighbor. I usually don't take packages for the neighbors. It's so annoying. Especially since I'm like almost never ordering something myself. But I mean, it's almost Christmas, so yeah. I thought, why not? Before child doesn't get his present, you know. There are some black because of the lines I erased. Erase it again. No, this is wrong. Okay, now the arm is done. Yeah, let's once again group it. Call it. Oh, I'm sorry. Weapon arm. Need to improve it a little bit more. There are some. Come on, as I mentioned, I can't open groups with my pen for some reason. There are some weird pixels. We need to fix that. Fine. Okay. Still looks weird. And that's the problem if you use a soft eraser. Shouldn't do that. Okay. Nah, I hate this. Okay, now let's draw the other arm as well as the leg, and then we're done. Okay. How are we going to do that? New layer first. Brush. Draw. Noise. Okay. Nope. Nope. Way too thick. Ah! I was almost the line. Almost got it. Almost. So close. So close. No. We go back. I think. It's so difficult to draw that. Yeah, this is fine. We can go with that. Okay. I will make 2 lines. Yeah, this is fine. You will see why in a second. First, we need to color it. Let's once again take our suit color and just paint it in. Okay. Now, the reason why I drew this line, because I want to have a very small white part. Like this. And the last part, of course, once again, our skin color. And remember me, I'll never ever open the door again if it's randomly ringing. Yeah, that's his second arm. Perfect. Now to his legs. As I mentioned, this one is a little bit too large, so we will make it somewhat smaller. Group those layers. Call it arm 2. And now let's create the last layer. No, that was bad. Don't judge me. We can do better. We can do better. Go. Nope. Maybe a little bit longer. Or maybe not. I think it's... Is this the one? I didn't like how the lines overlapped. Yeah, this is fine. Maybe a little bit too thick. But I guess you can have some thicker legs. That's fine. Okay. Go with a slightly different color for his leg. Because usually... Or should we do it the same? No, actually, I think we should do the same color. No, we should. Or yeah, we should go with the same color. His shoes will be brown. You can't wear brown shoes to a purple jacket, right? Now this is the part where I would need some help of a female fashion bro. Because I have no idea. And I totally just colored in the layer as a line work. Yay! No. I think you can't wear brown shoes. That's a no-go. Black shoes are always the way to go, so we will take black shoes. Just like that. Okay. Call it black. Now for the body, we need to separate those different layers. This and this. Let's turn off our sketch layer. Okay. Body. Head. Nice. Okay, I just duplicate them. Put them onto one layer. So we have all of this in one layer, and then we can export this as a PNG. By the enemy. Nice, let's hop back to Unity. Because now we need to puzzle it together. Together. Okay, so let's open it first. Art. Okay, let's put him here. I don't know if I have any special settings for Spidey. I don't. That's perfect. That makes things much easier. Okay, multiples right at a... Wow, I'm bad at drawing. Serious? Okay, I need to redraw all those errors. So many bad spots. Okay, we can't have it like this. This is the problem if you draw on the cluttered background, just like I did. You shouldn't do this. That's a big lesson. Body, enemy head, limp. Okay, so let's create a new layer and make it this color, so we can clearly see where we need to draw. Okay, so this is the skin layer of the head. Let's start with this. Let's see all those drawing errors. Brush. Okay, the head is done. Let's go for the hair. I'm always wondering why I didn't see this before. But now, fix it and it should be fine. Okay. This should be the head. Let's go to the body. It's all on one layer. Brilliant. What is this layer? What have I done? It's yeah, I remember. I already connected those layers. Stupid me. Just because I thought no, I don't make mistakes like this. No. Stuff like this won't happen to me. Never. Black for the outline. Okay. Now to the more problematic part. This looks fine. See? This is fine. I did a good job on this one. Make this more white. No, this is fine. Okay. I can... Wait. Let's erase this little piece of shit. Okay, that's fine. The arm is really bad though. Need a lot of correction on this arm. Okay. This is the gun. Let's start with the gun. Okay. Now it looks fine. What do you think? Hey, Sunny Spherix. Welcome to the stream. It's doing quite good. How's your day going? I'm currently drawing the enemy, which accidentally turned out to be somewhat Donald Trump. Don't ask me why, but it is. And I'm almost done, so I'm just fixing a few drawing errors I did. But then, once I've done this, I can put him into the game. And it's almost done. So this is done. The arm, and then we're good to go. Your day is going great. Nice. The game is really awesome. I mean, I haven't done that much since the last stream. I just fixed a lot of bugs, but I added a very cool feature for the enemy. I will show it as soon as this is done. I will head back to the game and show it, because this is really awesome. You can shoot a web at the enemy now and connect it to a wall or a building and really tangle them to that. And this is super fun. If you want to be fast, you probably won't do that, but it's very fun to use this new mechanic. Have you made a Trello board yet? No. The problem with Trello and me is I like to set up Trello boards, but I never really stick to it. I currently, for my projects, I keep in mind what I have to do, and this works most of the time. So yeah, I haven't used Trello. Not really. That's not good. You shouldn't do that. Now that I zoomed out, I found even more problematic stuff, like this arm right here. Brush. Yeah, I mean, Trello is really useful. I think it's a very nice tool to keep everything in mind that you have to do. So that's how I should use it, and then I won't have too many problems. But I keep forgetting to update it, and then once I find it again, then all of this stuff written in the Trello is out of time and just not useful anymore. And I had a lot of new ideas that I haven't written down, so project management isn't my strength. Let's keep it like this. This game, which platforms are you gonna release it? Yeah, I will first do the PC version, so I will release it first on itch.io as an endless runner, which is almost done actually, because I've set up all the mechanics. I've done all the... No, not all the art. I have done the enemy now, so what's missing are some buildings and some polishing. But once I've done this, I've done all the art. So then I only need to set up a few levels, a few parts that come after each other, and then we have an endless runner. That's the plan. But after I've done this, I would like to continue up on this game because I really like it, and probably I would try to make it a mobile game. But I'm not sure if this works. Because currently you can shoot those two different webs by using the two different mouse buttons, and you can't do that with mobile because you need to touch. So this game needs to change quite a lot to be a mobile game. That's why I'm not sure if I can release it on Android or not. I will try. Maybe it works and it's a very cool mobile game, and then I will add a lot of stuff, or maybe it doesn't work and then I will just, I guess, add some fixed levels and then I'm done. But I'm really hoping that I can make a mobile game out of it. Place automatic. Okay. Now, this works. Still not perfect, but I think now it's good enough. Can I give you some tips on how to optimize on Unity? It depends. So there are a lot of ways to optimize. I think so first of all, what kind of game are you making? Because if you don't know what kind of game, it depends on the game type. If it's a 3D game, you have to do other stuff than if it's a 2D game, for example. Enemy body. Enemy head. Enemy arm 1. Arm 2. Leg 1. And leg 2. Now it's looking perfect. Any tips? Okay, so yeah, okay. So the biggest tip that I can give for optimizing are object pools. this is very important if you make a game that's just a little bit larger than the super small game. And an object pool is something I use, for example, in this game, which allows you to spawn, to not... Okay, if you want to create objects, like, for example, if you have a shooting game where you are shooting bullets. Every time you shoot, you need a bullet, and this needs to get into the scene. So the easiest way would be to just go ahead and create this bullet. That's fine and all, and it works, but this is very performance heavy, especially if you have like a rifle and you shoot like 20 bullets in a second. Then Unity needs to create 20 game objects, and creating a game object really does take a lot of time. So you don't want to do it that way, but you want to use an object pool. And what it does is basically you create the 20 bullets before the game even starts and deactivate them. So let me show this to you. When I start the game and stop it, here we have 15 Spidey bullets. And one Spidey bullet is just a circle right now. I will make some art for it, but currently it's just a circle. So this is all created. We have enemy bullets and we have some joints. And now if I shoot, I don't have to create a new object, but I just activate this, put it in the right direction, shoot it, and once it's gone, I don't destroy the object, but I just deactivate it and can use it again. So yeah, it's a preloader. And this is a very important thing for game optimization. Especially if you have objects that you use over and over and over again, then you will definitely want to have this. Okay, so but what I have to do now is I have to put this dude together. Where is this? Okay, so this looks almost correct. So his body is like this. His head. Where is his head? Okay, it's here. His head can go. No. Oh, it's so difficult to collect those things individually. That can go like this. Okay. His first arm. Let's rotate it. It's that one. Okay, this should be on top of the body. Okay, this we need to put the layers in correct order. How did you learn game development? Interesting question. I'm studying computer science, so programming wasn't the problem at all. I knew how to program before I made the first game in Unity, so that wasn't the problem. I just needed to look up how stuff works with Unity, and then I could basically do it. So one day I decided, yeah, let's make a mobile game. That was the first game I made. So I just started watching some YouTube tutorials. For my first game, I almost didn't watch any tutorial because it was very simple and I just needed to look up Unity's page on how different stuff works, and then it was fine. But then after I did this first game, I, for example, watched a lot of Brecky's tutorials because he explains a lot of nice stuff you want to know. And yeah, watching those tutorials, I just did them, followed them, and thought about how I can use what I've learned. And so, yeah, it's basically every time I do a new project, I also learn something new. You know? Why are those layers so high? 2. Arm 1, arm 2, which is arm 2? Arm 2 is this one, okay. So every time you do a new project, you will learn something new. And the goal is basically just to figure out what you need to learn for the next project. And learn it. And you will increase your repertoire of different stuff you can do over time. Which is the best way to learn C#? I think the best way to stay motivated is if you have a project that you want to do. So if I needed to start completely new and wouldn't know anything, I would go ahead and imagine a very simple project, like a very simple platformer, which doesn't have much, just some running, just some jumping. And then when I have this plan in mind, this project, I just search for tutorials and follow them and try to figure out how I can do what I want to do. And that way I learn everything that is needed for this project. And afterwards I'm smarter than before, and you have a completed project, and that is really nice. That is actually the most important thing. Try to have completed projects and completed games in the end. Because if you have something completely done, you can show it to friends, show it to your family, and that's like the coolest thing about game dev, is to show it to people. And when you have a project done and they can try it out and play it, that's very awesome. His body is too large. Damn. Why is it that large? I need to make it smaller. Damn. And for some reason, everything. Okay. Let's. A little bit thicker. This. Now let's scale it a little bit like this. Okay. Yeah, it's getting better. He was way too high. Okay, now this is more like what I was looking for. Okay, the head must go down a little bit. Yeah, this is getting better now. Yeah, this is now the head must go back like this. Yeah, this is how how my enemy should look like. Okay. Much better. I hope I could help you with my advices. So yeah, that's what I would do. Get some sort of project in your mind and stick with it and finish it and start very small. So that's like the biggest mistake people make when they begin. They plan to do very huge projects and fail because it's way too huge. Like, for example, people who would like to start with an RPG. This is just way too big for a first project. You shouldn't do that. This needs to be 4. No, layer 3, please. Not that much rotated. I failed the drawing right here. This should be different. Yeah, I should fix that now. Damn. Okay, back to Photoshop. Okay, so the problem I now have is this little part. This shouldn't be right there. Hello? There's something wrong with Photoshop. Oh no, come on, come back, please. What have I done? Okay, I accidentally destroyed it. Okay. Could you please? Come on, why? Okay, let's just try to save it and reopen it. It's saved. I will just reopen it. Oh no. Yeah, we need to wait for Photoshop to open again. Or maybe it's just not loading. Brilliant. Okay, please. Okay, let's open the project again, and now we can finally work at it again. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay, so we need to erase this part down here. Yeah, perfect. We draw those lines. Almost. Okay, now that this is done, this needs to be white down there. Then everything should be fine. I hope. I hope. Okay, let's zoom in. Because I don't want to do this again, please. We draw the black outline. No. This drawing position is also very uncomfortable. Okay. There's some small errors. Let's quickly fix that. Okay. Oh. Okay. And let's once again save this. But this time, let's just save it directly to Unity so I don't have to redo all this stuff again. Save it into this folder. Folder, please. Where is it? Where is it? How is it called? By the enemy. Spidey enemy. Is it this one? Yeah. Save. Okay. Now this should be fixed, and what this does is that this leg can now be like this. Okay. Mission completed. Way too much work for way too less of what it gives me. But yeah. Okay, now what I need to do is to change the scripts to the correct rotation because it changed. The rebalancing, that is. So currently it tries to get to this state. I'll change it a little bit to a more resting state. Second arm. Also go down like this. Okay. So this is the default enemy state. And he always tries to get to this state. If nothing happens, at least. And as soon as he gets shot, or when he tries to aim at Spidey, he will change, for example, the position of his arm. Oh, what is this collider, please? No. What the hell? Just want one path. I need to change this. This is awful. Okay, so let's change the collider. We need like 4 points, please. Polygon collider. We have 17. This is just way too much. This is the kind of overhead that we definitely don't want. Oh, please. Body. Change the points. Thank you. Like this, and you go there, and you go here, and you go down here, and you go. So for the body collider, this is more than enough. Thank you. Head is a circle, which definitely isn't placed correct. Okay. Up here, radius a little bit larger, like this. Nope. I just mouse slipped. Okay, like this. Okay. Arm, leg. What is this? We can also change this collider. I don't like it. Where is it? Polygon collider. Go there. We don't need this point. Wow. Let's apply all. So this is our standard prefab now. Why can't I delete a collider, polygon collider point? Seriously. And what is this? Fuck you. I didn't erase it good enough. I don't know if you can see. Let's just test if the enemy works. Okay, it almost works. He's aiming the wrong way. Some reason. And he's way too heavy. No. Nope. Okay, so let's change the script first. Edit script. We need to go to the aiming because he currently aims in the wrong direction. Look at angle. Times -1. Is this enough? I'm not quite sure. Let's see. Nope. That's not the right thing. Sadly not. This would have been too easy, right? Blurb arm B rotation. Huh. Does this now needs to be the other way around? So sad. Just doesn't work out of the box. Okay, maybe now, maybe now. Yeah, almost. and he's holding his gun like a real gangster. You can see that. You can see he knows what he's doing. Holding it the wrong way is always nice. Yeah, but we can fix that. We can fix that. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. Where am I doing that? This is a -1 and this is a 1. So now this should be fixed. I hope. Yeah. His head is way too weak. Lol. Yeah, it's beautiful. But what is wrong with his head? It's so top loaded. Can we change the limits? I think it's the wrong way around, right? Should be like this, maybe? I'm not sure. Wow. What the fuck? No, this is definitely not what I wanted. And why is he so heavy? We should change his weight actually. Make him lighter. Especially his head. There's something wrong with this head. I must admit this. Okay. So all the other parts look correct. But what is it with his head? I have the feeling this is not what the angles work. No, okay, this is the wrong way. You need to make it the other way around. Like this. So now he shouldn't have. What? Why? And now I remember why he has so high values. I remember. Okay, order and layer. Let's put it 22, 24, 23, 25, 20. Also 20. Let's make it this arm to 21. Hey Frank Dev, welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? Okay, so now at least this one problem should be fixed, but his head. And for the gun is way too strong. Okay, how is this supposed to be? I actually have no idea. Angle limits. Turn to 0, 0. So this should be the angles that are allowed, I hope. Yeah, I'm doing great as well. I have some problems with the head angle currently. That's mainly because I don't know how this works. Okay. I understand now. It's the green line which shows which angle is allowed. Okay, so we can I'm pretty sure that this is how it works. So the green circle. So if we settle like this, he can go back to this, and on the front he can currently go to this. Let's put that as the front limit. Nope. Like this. Okay, now he should only be able to put his head in these rotations. I hope. We will find out now. Yeah, this looks promising. For some reason, I had the feeling the spider web isn't doing as supposed. It feels slower than usual, and I don't know why. Somehow, since I started the stream, the game feels slower. Don't ask me. Okay, yeah, but the enemy works now. That's nice. That was my main goal. So hey. And for some reason also the shooting seems to be stronger than usual. I don't know why. Maybe I destroyed some settings. I don't know, or it is because of the stream. Okay, this is the old enemy, and the one in the beginning is the new one, the little agent, Trump agent. I don't know, but yeah, he's done. Let's put some of them into the level. And just play around a little bit with them. Okay, let's get one up here, and the last one back there. Let's see. Yeah, this is weird. Yeah, well, it works, and I think it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, I'm fine with it. But if this is how the spider web is working now, I need to look at this after the stream. This feels totally different than what I usually have. Damn. And don't ask me why. The only explanation for me is that I have now so much software running in the background that it somehow changes the physics of the game, but this shouldn't have. The enemy looks a bit like Donald Trump. Yeah, it does. And it's not on purpose. I don't know how we got there, but yeah. I guess now it is Donald Trump. I don't know. Maybe he has some problems with the law now that he's not president anymore, and yeah, Spidey needs to take care of it. I mean, since this is New York, perfectly that's where he lives, or where he at least lived. I mean, I think he moved because he had to pay too much taxes in New York, which is very fun. I mean, he's like the president, and yeah, or he was. Yeah, but I think this concludes the stream. We've achieved what we want to achieve. Create the beautiful Donald Trump enemy. There are some physics problems right now, but I have to look at this after the stream. If the stream, on the other hand, changes the physics of the game, then something's wrong with my code, because this would then also affect people who have weaker PCs than me, and that's not what I want. Because usually the game is faster paced. No, it's definitely faster. At least it was when I played it the last time. Yeah, okay. Nice. I guess we're done. Thanks for joining the stream, Frank. Even though it's already over. So you only joined it for a very small amount of time, but I will probably stream next week at the same time again. I need to find a schedule. I want to do 2 or 3 streams a week, scheduled regularly, but I don't know yet when I can do this, so that's why I haven't set up a schedule yet, but I will do. And Thursday seems to be a very good day for streaming, so at least for me, it's a day I have time usually. So I will keep with Thursday, and then maybe Monday or Tuesday. I don't know yet. We will see. So yeah. Thanks for hanging out, and I hope I see you next time again. And I hope I can upload the devlog to the Trump soon. So yeah, bye.